ChristiFabriLive.org. You can scroll down and see what it means to be a friend or a partner with us. ChristiFabriLive.org or 866.
Got original 1970 Chevrolet Corvette AM/FM radio. We've gone through it, cleaned everything, polished all the lens and stuff, and using the original plug on it. We've got the hot, the ground, and the light, and we've done a basic Aurora Design conversion. It now has 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It's got a pre-out on it if you want to add a sub. Auxiliary in, which is automatic. So we've gone through it all. It has a built-in fader, and we're going to demonstrate a little of it. This radio will also seek and scan stations for you without the needle moving. I'll demonstrate that for you. Right now you're on FM. Stereo light, original stereo light. I like how these are built in. Over here you got a little operating LED, which is here for status purposes and for your seek and scan. It is a flip channel, so if you want to go to AM, you just flip it, the light goes to red. Go on to AM channel. Flip it right back. FM, stereo.
Family here, and I have my husband.
Well, it's all to make a timepiece.
Got all the presets working, like they always used to. Got a built-in fader. There's your rears, fronts.
I done a double backflip. Juggler, juggler.
Treble and bass like you've always had. And since you have a built-in fader, you also have a built-in balance, which is in your toner control. All you do is take it back to the center notch and crank it counterclockwise twice, and it'll start beeping. When it gets through beeping, you'll be in the balance mode. As long as you're moving this toner control in the balance mode, you can balance from right to left.
Of course, that's Springsteen's Atlantic City. That's a masterpiece anyway, and those guys knocked it out of the park.
Left side.
From Jericho here on Roots Radio, WMOT. Harry Connick Jr. in there, and then we kicked it off with Lyra Lynn.
Balance it out, let it beat.
Got some great stuff around the corner, going back to Main Street with some stuff.
Now you're back on treble and bass.
New stuff from Band of Heathens, and on the way next, it's J.J. Cale.
Best news ever. Some say don't ask for help. Offering a 12. That's going to open another whole debate that this program is not centered.
Now your seek and scan will work. We'll show you how to put that in there. In case you're going down the road, you don't want to have to fumble with it, try to find a station. You can put it in this mode and let it find a station for you. I'll show you how to lock on that station and actually how to even find where that station's at. All you do is take your tuning knob and turn it twice. 1, 2. Little LED gets to blinking on you.
We want to pray for you.
Now it'll start scanning stations for you.
Not really adequate, and others around.
We're gonna let it do a few stations. I'm gonna show you how to lock on that station.
Why isn't a burger cheaper when you ask for no onions? I don't want them, so shouldn't you deduct the price of the onions, right?
It's patience. Get better at patience. There's going to be a lot of opportunities to get better at it. I've been talking to God recently about.
Say we like that station there, all we do is turn it once and the light starts flashing quick. It will lock on it and stay there unless you want to find it. It'll go quiet till you find it, pull out a preset it. Anytime you're in a scan, you want to end it, just turn it back the opposite direction, it will end.
Highest role at foreign policy. But let me just work the cuteness angle before we move on. The punks on hunting.
Now your auxiliary in
little puppies
comes with a 2-piece cable. This one you can hide in the car. Goes in, you can pop it in a little hole, just as long as you know where it's at. You get a male. All you gotta do is plug in. And you can plug your phone, iPod, MP3, satellite radio, XM radio, CD players, changers, anything that puts out a sound, and it will automatically
the South Korean president's wife
roll over once you hit play. You'll watch that little light turn to green.
Well, sweet baby, say I got a 2-room flat
Now when you're on the auxiliary end, you want to go back to radio. All you do is just simply turn your device off. In 20 seconds, the radio will go back to where we had it set, if you don't touch it. If you want to actually go quicker, just turn the radio off and right back on.
One of the
That'll cancel the 20-second wait delay time.
Chinese panda diplomacy. If you source.
Let you listen to a little of it. That's your original 1970 Chevrolet Corvette AM/FM radio with a basic Aurora Design conversion in it. We're using the original plug-in for your hot, your light, and your ground. You also have a harness coming out the back with for 4 speakers. I understand we're going to be doing 6 speakers, so we're going to wire the front ones up in a series, and that way we can take them to 8 ohm. And it should be ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.